Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a fan hub. First, take a moment to identify your fan hub and understand its specific power needs. Most fan hubs require a SATA power connection. Next, locate an available SATA power connector coming from your power supply unit. Finally, confirm that your motherboard has at least one compatible fan header, typically a 4-pin or 3-pin connector, which is essential for fan speed control and monitoring. Now, let's power up your fan hub. Take the SATA power cable from your power supply unit and firmly connect it to the designated SATA power input on your fan hub. This crucial step delivers the electrical power required for all the fans you will eventually connect to the hub. Always double-check that the connection is secure and fully seated to ensure consistent power delivery and prevent any unexpected shutdowns. Next, we connect the fan hub to your motherboard. Locate the small signal cable coming from your fan hub, usually a 3-pin or 4-pin connector. Plug this cable into an available fan header on your motherboard. This connection is vital as it allows your system to monitor fan RPMs and control fan speeds through your motherboard's BIOS or dedicated software, giving you precise control over your cooling performance. Finally, it's time to connect your individual case fans to the hub. Take each fan's power cable and plug it into an available port on the fan hub. Most hubs offer multiple ports, often 6 or 8, for various fans. Make sure each fan connector is securely seated. Once all fans are connected, take a moment to organize your cables. Proper cable management improves airflow and gives your PC build a much cleaner, more professional look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.